How to find account ownership settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account ownership settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click personal and account information. And then as you see here you can find account ownership and control settings. Just click on it and as you see here you can find it and you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.